floaty.
Oh, yours is a wobbly waterfall?
Yeah, look it.
Oh, that's a little boat in the big thing of water. Where's the sail? Where's the sail for the boat? Okay.
One is a dead plane and one goes. People can go down my way. The dog was there.
Yes.
See? Mine is long, right? Yeah. Mine is way long.
What happened?
My sail is missing.
Your sail's missing? Oh no. What are we going to do?
We're going to find it.
Okay, where can we find it?
I got one more. Right here.
God, that was an exciting sail. You can get a new other piece.
Another one.
Another one? Sure. Sure. Let's get a new piece.